The application TrustPort Threat Intelligence is a security tool designed for the long-time monitoring of network security incidents. It is based on the advanced analysis of network behavior and detection of known samples. The tool can be implemented as a VirtualBox or hardware appliance. The data entered into the TI application can be taken from backbone switches or routers, alternatively from tapped backbone lines. The technology consists of probes collecting network data, collectors storing and analyzing data, a cloud solution connecting individual collectors. The solution can be delivered as an all-in-one appliance that is combined in one piece of hardware or a VirtualBox. Probes and collector are features in both options. Inputs into the application can be mirrored network traffic, outputs from honeypot systems which serve to detect buffer overflow, output from antivirus central management, other informational databases. The technology is based on three basic analytical modules. Behavioral analysis, which is aimed at detecting unknown or barely detectable dangerous network behavior based on advanced analysis of network behavior. Intrusion detection system and deep packet inspection, both detecting known attacks with the help of verified detection signatures. Analysis of network statistics designed for the detailed analysis of network traffic and intuitive overview of recorded, stored network flows, including well-arranged visualization. The output of the application is an administration dashboard and reporting tool, sending messages to the SIEM or to email. The detection core of the behavioral analysis is the basic core of the system. This core is based on the methods of advanced artificial analysis. 6 detection modules: predictive analysis, discovery analysis, analysis of flows, repetitive analysis, analysis of application protocols on the 7th layer, analysis based on signatures. The system is based on modeling principles with advanced learning functions based on artificial intelligence algorithms. It stimulates in detail the behavior of every subnetwork, every host, and every service on these hosts. The result is an advanced detection system with unique characteristics. The graphical user interface introduction continues in the next video. The application TrustPort Threat Intelligence uses the user interface with the support of the main web browsers such as Firefox, Chrome, IE, or Opera. The left panel is used for the selection of specifically required data. The panel remains consistent through every other analytical part of the console. It features a calendar that enables the user to select a specific date or time interval. Below the calendar are predefined filters with the possibility of interactive combination, a selection of detection methods independent of the selected modules. The main filtering form and managing filter, in which it is possible to filter each type of filtering parameter, such as subnet, IP address, user, etc. The filtering method uses the logical addition of and, or, and nor. Each time you use this filtering method, you can store it for future use, or use it immediately. The main panel on the right side of the screen is used for the visualization of the selected data. The tab dashboard is used for the visualization of managerial graphs, overviews of the subnets, individual hosts, and top statistics. The tab network is used for the visualization of network communication and its detailed analyses. Tab events are used for the visualization and analyses of dangerous incidents. The tab network is used for the monitoring and visualization of flows in the network. In the upper area, there's a graph displaying data traffic in a logarithmic scale. It can be simply switched to a linear scale. Below the graph is a table showing monitored subnetworks and the values in relation to the graph. The lines in the table represent individual subnetworks, and they can be visualized by clicking on each line. Columns can be organized. By double-clicking on the column, it can be selected as the subnetwork with the most traffic in the selected time frame. The individual hosts in a selected subnetwork will be displayed. Hosts' activities can be individually displayed. By sorting the hosts, the most communicative device can be obtained. By selecting a section of a graph we are most interested in, the detail of the required device can be displayed. A list of local and remote services will be displayed. By sorting the services through the volume of data, the service that manages the most data can be identified. By double-clicking on the selected service, the network flows in the specific time frame are listed. The volume of traffic in both directions can be displayed in a list of individual flows. The domain names of both communicating sides and their MAC addresses can be seen by clicking on the detail. By clicking inside the tabs on different functions, the program automatically fills in the filter. The filter can be changed, deleted, or added anytime. In the tab Events, security incidents are identified. The upper part of the graph displays the number of the incidents according to the seriousness of the events. In place of the graph, it is possible to display a map that shows the geographic location of these events. Below the graph is a customizable list of these incidents. For example, the list can be configured according to the severity of the potential of each attack. By clicking on the individual incident, the basic description of the incident is displayed. All the incidents can be displayed, or each characteristic could serve as a condition for filtration. The detail of a selected incident can be displayed as a lightbox. In the upper portion of the screen, there is also a graph displaying the time of selected incidents. Below the graph, there's a list of incidents. By clicking on an incident, its detail is displayed. The detail of each individual incident corresponds to the selected detection method. By double-clicking on the line with the incident, it is possible to display individual flows attributed to each incident. Each line contains detailed information, for example, information from an application layer. In case of false detection, the event can be marked as a false positive by a single click. In the upper right corner of the screen, there's a configuration menu of the application. The configuration can be the switching on and the scheduling of updates of detection algorithms and signatures, a definition of enabled or disabled services in subnetworks, and hosts, the creation of new users and groups of users with a wide range of rights, including full anonymity. The personal addition of detection algorithms, or the changing of the current ones, approximately 400. The personal addition of signatures, or the changing of the current ones. The setup of the level of reporting into SIEM or to email. The management of reported false positive events. And other options. If the application is attractive to you and you would like to try it yourself, please contact us at ti@trustport.com.